This is the main power switch to turn on the machine. This is the power switch for the electrical panel, and this is how you turn it on. The electrical control includes the coolant switch, forward button, reverse button, forward jog button, reverse jog button, the stop button, and emergency stop button. This is the forward jog, reverse jog, stop, and the emergency stop button. You can also control the spindle with the apron control panel. This panel also contains the jog button, the forward button, the reverse button, the stop button, and the emergency stop button. Be sure to stop the spindle before switching gears. To engage the cross-slide rapid movement, move the lever down. To engage side-to-side apron movement, move the lever up. If you're trying to adjust the spindle speed, follow the chart accordingly. For this example, 183 RPM, switch the levers to L, A, and Roman numeral 1. This is the spindle operating at 183 RPM. To attain a feed speed of 0.17 millimeters per revolution of spindle, switch gears to F5. To engage the auto feed, position the lever to Z and clamp the clutch down. When the apron reaches the position stop, it cuts off the auto feed cycle.